how to delete photos and videos from iPhone to free up space. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to delete photos and videos from your iPhone easily, you need to go to your settings and then tap on General. Now there you'll find iPhone storage, tap on it, and then there go to Photos. So if you tap on photos, you will see recently deleted album taking up so much space, then you can just hit empty. So tap on delete from this iPhone, and then all the space that your recently deleted album is taking will be deleted. Now you can see review your videos option, and you can see that 35.63 GB is taking up space by videos. So you can tap on your videos and then choose the videos with the highest storage that is taking up the space on your iPhone and delete it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.